Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham and I welcome you all to this channel. Have you ever felt annoyed when you try to remove all the icon from desktop and accept the recycle bin? Not to worry guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you a simple method or simple way how you can hide this recycle bin icon from your Windows 11 desktop. For that, what we need to do is we need to click here on this menu button and then click on this setting. Now here we need to go to personalization and then click on themes. Here you need to click on desktop icon settings. Now here simply uncheck it. Now click on apply and there we go. In this way guys, we have successfully removed or hide the recycle bin icon from our Windows 11 desktop. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If you want to follow more such productivity videos, then please do like and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then you take care and bye bye.